Hey guys, Cole here from Minute Team. Just wanted to show you one of the most hidden default settings for Google Ads that will absolutely crush your campaigns if enabled. This is a setting that is really hard to find, but just turning it on will save you a ton of money. So wanted to make you a quick video showing you exactly how to find it. So first thing we'll do is open up our account. All right, this is the Entertainment account, and go to campaigns, or go to all campaigns, ads, and then from here, so these are all of the extensions that you can use in an ad campaign. The setting that we're looking for is the automatically generated extensions setting. To find that, you'll go all the way to the right and click on this tiny little button, More. Account level automated assets. That's the actual term for it. I totally butchered that. Oops. So you click here, you say, okay, but wait, there's no data. Am I in the right place? Guess what? You've actually got to do that again. Click More again and go to Advanced. This takes you to a screen where you can choose which settings to turn on. So by default, all of these settings are on. Basically, this allows Google to create really crappy site links, call outs, structured snippets, pull longer ad headlines out of thin air and assign them to your campaigns, dynamic business names, logos, images, all of these items. The only ones that I recommend keeping on are seller ratings. That's just a benefit if it's there, unless you've got really bad seller ratings, in which case you probably wouldn't run ads in general, but focus on improving your business. And sometimes dynamic images. This is something I actually might enable this for us right now because we don't have a lot of image extensions in the account as it currently stands. So I'll do that now and monitor how that performs. But typically, these are detrimental to your campaigns, especially dynamic site links. They don't add descriptions, so they're just like two-word site links that hang in the air and look really awkward if the site links that you've generated have descriptions and are displayed right next to them. So, cool. Super short tip here, but very impactful. I hope this saves you money. Cheers.